if you live in a wooded area outside, love the outdoors, but hate mosquitoes, you need to get this for yourself. This thing is really, really awesome. This is a bug zapper. So it has a 4-foot cord on it, so plenty of cord. And this is waterproof, water resistant, which is really nice, and has this UV light that goes off to actually attract the bugs. This is gonna be great for mosquitoes, flying flies. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about this. So right out the box, you literally just plug it in and you're good to go. This goes on just like that. We do have a little hook right over here. So we have this right out over here, kind of like our backyard area over here. So we hang this up when we are out here. As soon as you plug it in, it's good to go. You don't have to worry about an on-off button or anything like that. Now, once this kind of fills up, I'm gonna plug this real quick. It comes with this type of plug right over here, so you don't have to worry about having a 3-prong. So to clean this up, we're just gonna open this up just like that, and it's good to go. I like that it has this open concept right over here. We literally just clean this out. So we have this open, so if anything got stuck, you could kind of just shake it out like that. And then when you got it, you wanna make sure that clicks in. So you'll hear that, just like a click, and then we're gonna plug this back in, and I'm kind of gonna go over a couple other things with you. This does come with a brush and some mosquito attractant that you could put in the bottom of this. So you're just gonna put that down there and it will attract them and zap them. You don't have to worry about, one thing I do like about it, that it has a plug and not a charger, is you don't have to worry about charging it. You know, we've had another one that we had, and basically what would happen is we'd be like, all right, let's go outside. Oh, it's not charged. And then it would take a couple hours to charge. And then we're kind of just done outside. So I do like the fact that it comes in here. It is really nice. It comes in this giftable box right over here. So if you wanted to get this as a gift for someone, you could do that. It has 4,200 power on this. And you could kind of go up to 2,100 square feet. That's kind of the area it can protect, which is really good, which gives you a lot of different options. This could also be used indoors. So this is an indoor outdoor. So if you wanted to put this on your counter or somewhere else in your house where you get a lot of bugs, a garage is a great place for something like this because you could just hang it up. And if you're getting a ton of bugs in a garage or a shed or something like that, this could really help with that. So I do like the fact it's super versatile. You could use it inside, outside, you could hang it, you could sit it down. You'll see over here, this does sit flat, just like this. So lots of different options with this. So if you're looking for a great way to get rid of pesky bugs, eat outside, keep your garage or shed or just in your house free of bugs, you're absolutely gonna love this thing. Like I said, you literally just plug it in. You could sit it on, we have this on a table upstairs. We have another one as well. We just put it on there when we're eating. We don't have to worry about anything. And I also do like the fact that we could hang it because we also have a dog, so we don't want this on the floor. So you could do the hanging thing as well. And then of course it cleans easy and comes with a brush. So if you're looking for a great bug zapper that's electric, don't need to charge it or anything like that, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over for review so I can enjoy our nice woods and backyard and see all the deer and enjoy the nice weather.